Just a warning for sensitive viewers, this is our dream house that I'm going to give you a tour of, but it has not been done, so it's not in the best shape. So just a warning, if you're sensitive to that kind of thing, do not watch the rest of this video. If you're curious though, you should definitely subscribe and keep watching, and at the end of the video I'll let you know how much all this cost after I give you the tour. So this is our new unit. We're super excited about it. It needs a lot of work. I mean, you don't even get to the front door and already you can see there's cracks here. This is all messed up. Lock's not so great. Needs a paint job. So you don't even get to the front door and you know there's work that has to get done. All right, we enter. This door doesn't actually even open correctly. There are a lot of old appliances in here. So we have the left side of this room. This will be the dining room right here. So where this empty space is will be a dining room. And then this will be a workspace to the left side. And then the defining feature of this room are these beautiful columns, which, if you're a fan of the Roman Empire, maybe you like them, but we are going to reduce them and minimize them to the greatest extent possible. And then this side will be the actual living room, I guess in a similar way that it is now, but you will not see any of this furniture. These units originally came with these gigantic wall unit furniture items, which we are definitely not. So this is very exciting laundry room, and we're gonna make it bigger. It's obviously it's a little cramped in here. All the appliances in here, water tank, this washer and dryer, sort of weird combo sink. I think they've all seen their better days. This cooler probably not gonna use, but we're gonna make this room bigger. We're gonna make the laundry room bigger, and then we go over to where it's going to be bigger, which is this bathroom here. So this bathroom is nice. It's got a shower, and I mean, it's really not that bad for, you know, it's still in its original condition, but we're gonna make it just a half bath. We're gonna change where the shower goes, and the laundry room is gonna take over for that. Sorry, that's not entirely clear. Hopefully it will be at some point. But point is, we're making this bathroom smaller, making the laundry room bigger. So this is the current master, if you can use the word master bedroom, but it will no longer be. What's gonna happen here is we're gonna take this space and add to the bathroom and the guest room, which you'll see in another shot. And this will just be a smaller guest room, and we will definitely minimize the columns in here. And this way, we didn't want our master bedroom to have a view of the stairway. I mean, you see some palm trees and trees, it's nice, but we think the pool view is much nicer and the windows are bigger. Amazing giant walk-in closet, but we're gonna, again, use this space for the bathroom to the other room, make that bigger. And then this bathroom we will just redo. At least it's nice, it has 2 sinks. So we'll keep those sinks, but we're probably gonna retile everything in here and replace the shower head, all that, retile. It's gonna be quite the project. So this is the guest bedroom, which we're gonna move. We're gonna add a bathroom. We're gonna add a bathroom here and add a more of a walk-in closet, much bigger space, and then keep, obviously refurnish. This furniture has seen better days, but I guess the big story will be what you can't see of adding to this room in this direction, giving it a full bathroom and a full shower. So before we go into the new master bedroom, what we're gonna do for it is we're gonna move that door where it's facing now. It's gonna face towards the living room, so you can enter from that side, and then we'll have all this extra space over here that we'll put in a pantry so we can actually store our stuff in the kitchen as opposed to this little wimpy cabinet. So this will be our master bedroom. It's got the nice view of the pool, and it's got a great balcony here. So I look forward to waking up to this, frankly. And again, we're not gonna keep the furniture in here. We'll redo that. We're gonna redo all the tile on the floor. Probably gonna redo the cabinetry in here, retile everything in here. Definitely new doors, and the shower will look totally different. Certainly get a new handle there. No, it'll be totally different in here, but also dual sink in here. So looking forward to having this as our everyday bathroom. Can't wait for that. So in the kitchen here, it's your basic kitchen. I mean, it's not that bad. We're gonna probably replace this refrigerator. I don't know if it's a good refrigerator or a bad refrigerator. Is it good? Well, maybe, we don't know. But it's relatively new, but all the other appliances, the dishwasher is broken, it's gonna go. The stove and cooktop are too small. It's gonna be a new hood there. And then it'll be very exciting. This extension here at the end will become an island. So it'll give a lot greater utility. As much as people like this accoutrement, that's gonna be gone. And there are gonna be so many more cabinets, much more usable counter space. You know, you won't have things like this corner here, which, you know, is unusable. We're gonna make great use of that space. Just, it doesn't have that much space. It's good for a rental right now, and it was used as a rental for a vacation, but we're gonna make it a home. So I hope you enjoyed your tour of our dream house, what it's currently, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy a tour in the near to medium future of what it becomes. I'll try to do it stage by stage and show you the work we're doing. As promised at the beginning of the video, since you did stay to the end, we paid $475,000 US for this, which is a really good price for being right across the street from the beach. And we also have a tennis court and a pool, obviously, and there's a little cenote waterfall. So there's a lot of delightful features in this place. If you want to learn more, you can send me a message in the comments. Otherwise, just make sure to subscribe and like, or at least just subscribe, or at least just like. No. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.